Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I'm absolutely fine here. So, can you tell me a simple definition for what is waste? Yes, I don't like, and I think everyone in the world doesn't like long and complicated definitions of different things, right? We're just not able to memorize them. So, according to me, the simplest definition for waste is something which is not used anymore and needs to be thrown away. So now all of us know that we can segregate our waste into two types. Yes, friends. So first one is biodegradable waste. Yes, now I've spoken it currently, right? And I usually stumble through that word. Like I can't even say that word easily. So biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Yeah, that is correct now. So biodegradable waste is the waste that can be decomposed easily, and non-biodegradable waste is the waste that cannot be decomposed easily. Yes, friends. So whenever we think about non-biodegradable waste, so the first thing that clicks our mind is plastic. So let me tell you an incident. Once I had to actually write a speech on plastic menace. Yes, friends. So to start the speech, I wrote some lines like plastic, plastic everywhere. I heard a blue planet is there, but now it is a plastic planet. Yes, friends, I wrote a couple of these lines, and yes, they truly explain plastic menace. So today we are going to talk in detail about plastic menace. Yeah, like how plastic is made and some facts about plastic menace, right? So let's go. So first let us talk about how plastic is made. So let us get a bit serious now. So friends, plastic is made up of polymers.
So, just what exactly is a polymer?
Basically, polymers are really large molecules made up of repeating units of monomers.
Well, what's a monomer?
Monomer is a smaller molecule that is the building block of a polymer. See, the word polymer is derived from Greek, where poly means many, and mers was originally meros, which means parts.
Polymers can also be made, and they are known as synthetic polymers. Yes, friends, synthetic polymers have some really outstanding qualities, like they can be molded into almost any shape and they are really durable, and that's why plastic is a non-biodegradable material, because it is made up of synthetic polymers which are extremely durable and take about 1000 to 1500 years to decompose. Now let us talk about some facts about plastic menace. So, since the invention of plastic, humanity has made 8.3 billion metric tons of it. So, what did we do of all this plastic, man? So, 9% was recycled, and 12% was burnt, and 79% is sticking around still. So, that is a really terrific news, isn't it? Let me also tell you that 8 million tons of plastic is deposited in oceans every year. Like, that is a lot, right? And now scientists are raising concerns because in the oceans, plastic is eaten by fishes, and this can pose many health risks because of the chemicals that are added to plastic, like BPA. But wait a sec, can we talk about that a bit later? Yeah. Now friends, all this that I have told you is truly terrific. But now what if I tell you there may be plastic in your body, or in my body, or in someone else's body? It is truly bad, isn't it? So wait a sec, let me explain this to you completely, okay? So when the plastic is in the oceans, at that time it crumbles down into really small pieces due to the exposure to the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Yes, friends, and it is actually a disaster because then it is easily eaten by small fishes like plankton, shrimps, etc. And then they are eaten by slightly bigger fishes, and then they are eaten by crabs or by other big fishes which land in our plate. This has raised concerns in the minds of the scientists because of the chemicals which are added to plastic. BPA, for example, makes plastic transparent, but there are also evidences that it interferes with our hormonal system. Then comes DEHP, which makes plastic flexible, but researchers have found that it can even cause cancer. Yes, so this is really bad, and let me also tell you that 93% of people have BPA in their urine. Yes, 93% of people, right? And 8 out of 10 babies have small amounts of plastic in them. Really bad, isn't it? Now friends, according to me, prime ministers of different European countries and American countries should globally address this issue while fighting the issue in their own countries. Yes, so countries like China, India, Algeria and Indonesia and many more have released a lot of plastic in recent years. So yes, we can just see this thing that we must fight against plastic pollution. Try to use more cloth bags. Yes friends, and there are different things that you yourself need to pay attention to, isn't it? As I told recently, use cloth bags instead of plastic bags, right? And there are many more things, right? So I don't want to repeat all of them now. Otherwise the video will get too big. But there are some really small things that you must pay attention to. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and now I'm going to see you next time. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe and tap the bell icon also. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.